Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I'm back again with an exciting video. It's going to be a really quick 2-minute makeup video. So let's get started. So this is my face. I've got nothing on my face. I've just applied moisturizer. That's it. Nothing else apart from that. So now I'm going to do really quick makeup. So first of all, I'm going to do color correcting. So my lipstick is almost finished. So I'm just going to put it like this. So you have to cancel the blackness, everywhere on the face. So your foundation would look really soft and smooth. This is like the most important step if you have too much darkness around your face like I do. Okay, and can you see this is like the brightest, not brightest, darkest pimple I ever had. Okay. Oh, I forgot to bring my headband to keep my hair out of the way. Let me bring it. Okay. So my hair is out of the way. It's time for makeup. So today, normally I put my makeup with my brush, like with my makeup brush, foundation brush. Today I've got a beauty blender with me. I'm gonna put this with this today. So yeah. And before you do that, you normally have to dampen your blender, but today I'm not going to do that. I'm kind of lazy. So I'm going to quickly put the foundation on my face like that. Okay, and then I'll take my beauty blender, dab it like that. I even forgot to bring my mirror. So you have to just dab on your skin. You just have to dab, do not drag it down. Okay, this looks nice. Let me bring my mirror, you guys. I normally don't use like beauty blenders. I only like brushes. I'm so sorry guys, I'm shaking the camera. So yeah, I'll put a little more. Okay, I hope my beauty blender does not absorb my foundation, because that's how it looks like. I don't know where my foundation is gone. It doesn't look like I've got a foundation. Can you see the difference? I think I should dampen this blender a little bit. Wait a second. This is what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. Just dampening my beauty blender. Okay, it's damp. Okay, I hope my foundation would not be absorbed now. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, my face looks damp. Does it really look? No, it doesn't. Anyway, so my beauty blender is a bit like damped. Now I'm going to dab my foundation into my skin. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I don't know. I'm just experimenting on camera. My god, my beauty blender is like so wet. It's not damp, it's wet. I put too much water in it. Can you see? But I'm not going to leave it like that. I'm going to just like I think think I should use this one. All right. Now I'm going to use a little more foundation and okay, this is done. I'm putting way too much foundation than normal. I don't know why is it not like covering my skin. Is it okay now? Okay, now I'm gonna quickly put the foundation over here, and oh my god, my beauty blender is like wet. It's not damp, it's wet. Okay, now it's time for my forehead. What's going on? Okay, I do still have a lot to cover. I think beauty blenders are like wastage of time, to be honest, or maybe I don't know how to use them. One of it is the reason. Oh my god, I'm just so irritated, you guys. I'm so irritated. Like, why is it taking forever to blend in? This is definitely not my thing. I'm never going to be using it ever, because it's like so much of time waste. I would have completed my makeup by this time, and I'm still just stuck on here. Look at it. So anyways, I'm finally done with this. Okay, this is how my face looks like now. It's time for powder, and I forgot to bring my powder brush. 1 second. By the way, I don't even use powder brush. I use foundation brush as a powder brush, although I have a powder brush. I'm just done, you guys. Just a little. Powder is very important in this summertime, so make sure you always have it on. Even if you don't have foundation, just put this on. It'll absorb all the oils. Okay, I am done with the makeup. I think this video is going to be a fail video, I don't know. It's time for blusher. So I'm gonna be using this pink one today. Oh my god, this is too much. Okay, I am done, you guys. Just a little more, and I'll be done. I think I should do a little more pink. I want my cheeks to be even on both sides. I mean, blush, whatever. I hope you get it. So a little bit over here. It's like pink blush. Okay. Okay, I'm just done. Okay, so this is the makeup. Now it's time for highlighter. I'm gonna put a lot of highlighter because I have not been using this since forever. So today I'm gonna be putting it on really crazily, like every single wear, everywhere, like everywhere. Okay, this highlighter comes with like this blender. I'll blend it using this. Will it really blend with this? It doesn't look like so. It's useless. This by the brand Swiss Beauty, by the way. Sorry. I don't know what I'm doing with my face today. Okay. Now it looks better. I think it's better now. No, I don't know. I am almost done. So what else is left? Nothing. It's just lipstick now. My legs are paining. Oh my god. My leg is paining. Okay, it's time for quick lipstick, and it's by the brand Matte to Me. It's random lipstick from the street shopping. I love the color. It's very neutral. So can you see it's nude lipstick? And then okay, so this is how it looks like. And I have to buy like a lip liner, you guys, like a nude lip liner, so it can look so nice. Okay, I'm done with the makeup. This is the entire look, finished look. I'm not gonna put on eyeliner because it takes time. Oh, why should I not put mascara? Let me bring mascara. I forgot to bring. This is by the brand Blue Heaven. Okay, I'm gonna put it on. So I love these bristles. Okay. I love it. I'm done. So this is the entire makeup look, you guys. This is how my face looks like. So I am absolutely done with the makeup, and this is the entire look. I've got no eyeliner, no eyeshadow, no kajal, nothing related to eyes, because this is like a quick makeup look, so you can do it really quick. So yeah, and also I'm gonna be going to work, so I don't want to do anything else because it's night duty, so no point of doing eyeshadow, eyeliner and all that. Anyways, this is how my face looks like with the makeup on. I am done. I really hope you enjoyed this quick makeup look video. I know it was a bit boring and a bit irritating, but I'm really sorry for that. Yeah, the more you watch my videos, the more I'll improve and try to make better videos. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.